Meaning of goose.
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 Goose. Goose is a common noun that refers to a type of water bird that belongs to the family Anatidae. These birds have a long neck and webbed feet, and are often found near lakes, ponds, and other bodies of water. In addition to being popular for hunting, geese are often kept as farm animals for their meat, eggs, and feathers. The word goose can also be used as a verb, meaning to prod or poke someone, often playfully. Overall, goose is a versatile word with both literal and figurative meanings.